demo the whatever the projects you have done in the final year. Here some of the students are ready with their innovation skills to demo the skills in front of you people. So you will all observe that one, and in the future you can also make your own ideas. In 1 month you can make the project ideas ready and you can demo the project ideas. For that we will give you 1 month time, you can demo in the next month.
So actually the program is, so how innovative projects are done. So that projects will be displayed in schools, like the primary schools or in high school events. So how that students will be motivated by giving your thoughts or your innovative ideas will be given to the students. So how they will get motivated. So whatever the projects, so our students have done in our final year students. So they have done like so how staircase can be controlled by using Arduino, and also they have done radar system can be controlled by also using Arduino, and some of our girls also they have done some innovative ideas they have displayed in projects. So all these projects can be displayed in schools to motivate their innovation. So now our students are going to explain the few projects, whatever they have done in our final year students.
Final year student of Computer Polytechnic. My project is radar system using Arduino. I use Arduino instead of PLC because PLC is very hard, easy to use in industrial area. Industry is very high power, high technology to use. But Arduino is very simple project to use to make any mini projects. It consumes less power or less technology just using coding. And our mini sensor predicts and shows just a 40 centimeter in any object, it shows at a display.
Shankara, 5th Sem, PC Department, KVT Polytechnic, Chikballapura. Our project title is Staircase Light using Arduino. When the object is lower staircase, sensor 1 sends the object and send the data to each steps. Upper staircase is through Arduino. Next, when the object is upper staircase, sensor 2 sends the object send the data to each steps upper staircase through the Arduino. Next topic explained Sanjay D.
Arduino ports is as using by 6 to 13 number for using for a through the Arduino, or we prefer Arduino instead by PLC because low cost, flexibility and simplicity and low cost, low power consumption. Next part explained by Abhishek H.
Arduino board applications, so smart home automation, robotics, Internet of Things, smart in health and agriculture,